Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you how to build an email list fast, and this is my 2019 method. Now watch this video to the end guys, because I'm going to show you a super secret bit of software that you can get easily 100 subscribers every single day, guaranteed. No one else says that. I guarantee you will get one minimum of 100 subscribers every single day. Now this is all about building a list fast, and I'm going to show you two methods to do it. A free method and then there's a paid method. But the paid method is you pay once and that is it, and it guarantees you a minimum of 100 subscribers every single day. So this is perfect for anyone. If you want to get into affiliate marketing or you want to get into selling anything, ClickBank, any items at all, you need an email list. It's not optional. If you don't have a list, you don't have a business. It's that simple, okay? I've got a list. I'm going to show you some of my lists in a minute, and that is what makes me money every single day. So this method is perfect if you want to make a passive long-term income. You can be a complete newbie with this. If you use the software at the end, you need no experience, okay? I will show you everything. I'll show you what I do, and I'll show you how to build a list super easy. Watch to the end guys. Honestly, my little hack is at the end. It's one of the best things I've ever been involved in, and it's making me some serious money, and it's making a lot of people some serious money, okay? This is a true passive income. If you have an email list, it's passive income. You do nothing apart from send 1 or 2 emails a day, and it brings the money in, okay? You can make unlimited money. You can make thousands of pounds a month, and it's a free startup method, and there's a paid method. And I'm also going to show you my account, my Warrior Plus account, and you'll see how much money I'm making. Everything's transparent. Now before we do all that, before I show you these amazing ways, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Why? Because that way you get to see my videos first. You get to make money first, okay? I do loads of make money videos every single day. I give away tips and tricks like this that I normally only give away to people in my private mentoring group, and I do affiliate reviews on my website bobbydonlinemarketing.com. okay, you'll get all these first and keep you updated. Now the other thing I'm doing for you guys is I'm offering you some free training. Below this video here, you'll see a little sign. It says get my free training here. Just click that link guys. It will take you to 7 videos that shows you how you can get started in affiliate marketing. It's free. No sign-ups required unless you want to, but you don't have to. It's all free. Watch the videos. Any questions, put a comment below and I'll answer them straight away. So that's it guys. Let's get into this method, and I am super excited about this. This could actually change your life. So having an email list is really important. Now for those of you that know me, I'm a product creator. I make products, I sell products, and from that I make money, and it builds me a list. And it's your list, your buyer's list, what you need to email every day to make money. So there's a number of ways you can build a list. If you're not a product creator, obviously you won't get sales from that. But there's simple things you can do. And one of my biggest hacks I can show you guys today, and this gets me probably 15 to 20 subscribers a day, and all I do is this. On all of my videos, this is my channel Bobby D, so if you pick any one, let's just pick this one, let it load up.
Thank you for watching my video.
So just pause it,
easy
and then
$1,000 days copy.
Go down to here, and on every one I've got free affiliate marketing training, and if you click that link, that will take you to one of my web pages, and it says watch how I went from complete newbie to affiliate marketer in 8 months, and there's a sign up box, and you can sign up in there like that. Hit the subscribe, and that now adds that email to my autoresponder, which is GetResponse. But I've also put a load of free videos so people don't have to sign up. And if you read these are all videos that I've put together about affiliate marketing training. Okay, there's 7 videos, and then there's an advanced method at the bottom where you have to put your email in to see the figures that I'm getting. And it's a free email list building. You do that on every video you publish, you're getting a free list. And to put that video together took me, the videos, it did take me a couple of hours, but it's worth doing, guys. It's free subscribers, okay? So that's one simple way of doing it. Another way is obviously sending people to your, if you had solo ads, sending them to a bridge page or a landing page, but there's a much easier ways. But before I go on to that, let me just show you a couple of things. So I always get asked, does email marketing work? Now these are products that I've released and that I email out. So this is in about last 8 months. Fiverlicious, my own program, $30,000. Local video jackpot, $22,000. $20 days, $1,000. 20-minute tactics, $1,000. You know, this is money that I've made, $60,000 using email marketing. Now I do this part-time for those who know me. I work full-time. I do this part-time to make some extra money, and I'm making some serious money. And this just lets me have the life that I want. You know, we're very, very, very fortunate, and I'm very grateful for everything that I've got. And this is just extra money for sending some emails every week. It don't get any easier. It does not get any easier than this, guys. It's a super way of making a part-time or a full-time income. Now, building your list does take time, all right? But it's worth it. So let me go over to my list. So I run 2 lists, okay? And I'm going to show you, just watch to the end. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you why I'm doing this for free. I have GetResponse, which I use, which is sort of my main list is in this, my buyers list, the people that buy off me. And then I also have my own autoresponder that I had made for me. So this has got 8,000 subscribers in it. I've got more than that in my GetResponse autoresponder. But this is like, I call this my overspill autoresponder. So these are normally people who aren't too engaging or have fallen off the wayside. I keep them on here and I email them every so often. You know, and I'm still getting, you know, I emailed 100 people yesterday. This is for something I was doing, a little test, and 24% opened. That's really good. Really, really good, in fact. Now, all of these people can make you money. And this is the importance of having a list. Now, like I said, it can take quite a long time to build your list up, but there is a easy way of doing it. So this is a bit of software that I've literally just come across. Now, this has been a bit of a secret with some big affiliate marketers. And it's called My Lead Gen Secret. And the link is below, guys. If you hit the link below, you'll get some extras through me. And basically, this has been running now for 48 hours. And I have got, if we go to my leads, in 48 hours I've got 400 new subscribers. Let me just say that again, 400 new subscribers I've got in 48 hours. This guarantees you 100 subscribers every day, and not just normal subscribers. These are subscribers who have a credit card, a proper email address. These are verified subscribers, okay? And basically they sign up to a list and they agree to have their email used in other lists, basically. They agree to other offers, and then you get it here. So, I mean, I'll quickly open one. So these are all the people who have signed up that you get sent. They're all real email addresses. I'm just going to scroll through it like that. As you can see, there's 100 there. There's 200 in this one. I mean, it is just insane, guys. That is every day. You are guaranteed 100 subscribers every single day. Now, one of my very good friends on here has, this is his figure, 194,493 subscribers. Now, he's done that in a month. And there are ways of doubling it up, but even if you don't, you get 100 a day. Could you imagine emailing 194,000 people? How much money you could make? And I'll be honest, this is what I'm aiming for now. I am going to go for this. I'm going to get as many people as I can, as many subscribers as I can, and I'm just going to bulk email them out. Even if you make 10 or 15 sales, it's free money. It's absolutely free money, guys, that you're making. It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. This is an offer that I highly recommend. There's nothing like it out there. You're almost guaranteed to make money, and I guarantee you are going to make 100 leads every day if you get it through my link, because I've got a special offer. So that is my secret hack for the day, guys. You can do it the long way, or you can do it the simple way. Now, this does cost to sign up. I think it's $60. I'll be honest with you. It's the best $60 I've ever spent. There is, and then there is a monthly fee. I don't even know what it is. I think it's $30 a month. But you'll make that easily. I mean, I'm not even worried about it. This is the best money you can invest. And if you're going to invest in anything, invest in this. My lead gen secret. Hit my link below. You'll get it for a special price. It'll be locked in, and you are going to make money. Simple. That's it, guys. I'm Bobby D. I'm super excited about this. I want you guys to make money. Join up. Cheers, guys.